Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to come to you and do a tutorial to show you guys how you can go from black hair to blonde hair in 20 minutes. Okay, I will be only using two products to achieve the blonde color that I got. So first things first is I wanted to show you guys exactly what hair that I will be using. The hair that I have is from VRBest Hair. I have their Brazilian straight. I did get 3 bundles. I got 14, 16, 18 with the 14-inch lace closure, but I only used the 14 and 16-inch and the closure to achieve my look. Okay, so the product that I will be using to achieve my blonde color is the Tang Big 9 Cream Lightener. This is by far the best product to use if you are looking to lighten your hair with doing one process. Okay, I am also using the Wella T-18 toner as well. I will be using 2 boxes with some 20 developer, and then with the Tang Big 9 lightener I will be using 30 developer. And I will also be using a mixing bowl and an applicator brush. So I'm kind of showing you guys, and I'm hoping you can see it. There are measurements on the mixing bowl that I do have, because with the Big 9 lightener, you will have to, it's a 1:2 ratio. So it's 1 part of the cream lightener to 2 parts of the 30 developer. So what I did was I filled the bowl to the 50 line, and then I poured the 30 developer to the 150 line. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do when it comes to the cream lightener. Make sure that you follow direction when it comes to bleaching or lightening your hair. So once I mixed together the cream lightener and the 30 developer, I went in and started applying the color to the closure first, because I wanted the closure to be the lightest, and then I wanted the rest of the bundles, you know, to kind of follow a darker shade. So in order to do the closure, of course, make sure that you turn your applicator brush kind of sideways when it gets close to the roots. I didn't want the blonde color all the way up to the roots, so I kind of left the roots in its natural black color. And then when I did apply the cream lightener, I also start at the ends of the hair and work my way up, because if you guys do not know, the roots of the hair on hair bundles as well as the closure is the most virgin, because if you look at your hair, you know, when your hair starts growing in, you get what do you call it, new growth, basically. That's basically what it is. And when your new growth comes out, it's virgin. Okay, so no products, no type of chemicals or any manipulation has, you know, done it. So if I was to start at the roots of the hair, the roots of the hair will bleach faster than the ends of the hair. So that's why I start at the ends of the hair and then work my way up. I hope I explained that to you guys. So once I applied the lightener to the hair using my applicator brush, I did go in and comb the mixture throughout the closure, as well as use my hands, because I want to make sure that I get the lightener onto the hair as much as possible. So I did this throughout the closure as well as the bundles of hair. Now the I only used the 14 and the 16-inch. I didn't use the 18-inch. So you will only see me bleach the 14 and 16-inch hair bundles and the 14-inch. Now, it did not take any time at all for this hair to lift. This hair was lifting using the Tang Big 9. The hair was lifting when I was still applying the lightener to it. This is how good this product is. This is like by far the best lightening or bleaching powder I have ever used. Okay, it didn't take any time at all. On the bottle, it does state that you only have to leave the lightener on the hair for about 20 to 45 minutes, but in this case the hair lifted so fast. I think it lifted in about 20 minutes, and that was throughout the closure as well as the hair bundles. after I did that, I rinsed out the bleach, and then the next product that I used was a purple shampoo. The purple shampoo I used, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll try to put it somewhere in the video, and I will definitely also put it down below in the description section. Okay, so after I applied the purple shampoo, I did follow the instructions on the bottle. It does state that you should leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes to take out the brassiness of the brassiness tone in the hair. So the next thing that I did is I went in with the Wella T-18 toner. I did use both bottles. I did follow the instructions. When it comes to the Wella toner, you're supposed to do 1 to 2 ratio. So that means you use the full bottle of the toner, and then you use basically what I did was fill the bottle twice with the 20 developer. So I poured in the 20 developer into the Wella toner bottle, and then I poured it with the toner mixture, and then I did the process again. So and then I mixed everything together, and I did that both times with both bottles. So make sure you guys follow the instructions. I cannot stress this enough. When it comes to coloring, bleaching, lightening, dyeing your hair, make sure you follow the instructions, okay? Because you want to make sure that it comes out the way that you want it to. So I made sure that I applied the toner all on the hair, and I did let it sit. I think they state that you're supposed to let it sit for about, I think, 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I did. I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it off, and then I washed the hair as normal. I shampooed as well as conditioned the hair with a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and this is basically the final look of the color that I was going for when it comes to the blonde color. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and make my wig, and I did use the hot glue gun method. And after that, I went ahead and created some layers in the hair, and then I used a curling iron, which is, I think the brand is Remington, and I just, threw some curls into it. At first I was going to do a side part, but at the last minute I decided to change it up and do a middle part. So that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the description section. But I also want to let you guys know, like with me bleaching the hair, did I experience any type of issues? So when it came to me wearing the hair as well as lighting the hair with the bleach and everything, I did experience some shedding with the hair. I did experience a little bit of dryness with the hair. I didn't experience too much tangling with the hair. There was no smell or odor when I first got the hair. Pretty much I really liked the fact that this hair was really good to bleach. I didn't have any issues with the hair just being completely damaged, which is really good. I will give you guys all the information on VRBest Hair down below in the description section if you are interested in ordering their hair. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe, and then also follow me on Instagram. All the information will be in the video or down below in the description section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.